Remi. Remi. Gentle. Angel's actually biting her, which is good. Gentle, Remi. Hold on, guys. Okay. That's enough. No. Gentle. Angel's also biting, so that's gonna... Okay. Rough. Here. Nope. Gonna switch. I know. Angel was actually wanting to play with her, guys. See? Okay. No. Gentle, Remi. Gentle. But as you guys did see, Angel did swat and bite, so that's good. We're learning, right, guys? We're learning. Good girl. But that was very, very cute. Good boy, honey. And then there's Sleepy Buster. Yeah. Just wanted to show you guys that they can kind of play. Hey. No paw. Gentle. This is the first time in a long time that Angel actually swat at her, so I'm very proud. Good boy, Angel. Come here, Remi. Remi, come. No? Alright. Later.